Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishaba. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make an amazing powder. So I have this amazing recipe and hair butter too on my channel. Amazing video, yes. I made a video where you guys love the recipe, and from that video I have been getting a lot of like comments and requests to make the powder, which is chili powder. Yes, so today I will be showing you how to make chili powder. So, and there is a little problem, guys. I don't know the English name, but then I'll drop the English name on the screen or in the description box. But all I know is I got it in the market and it's called Moro Moro. A lot of people have been asking me this for the past 3 years for the English name. I don't know the English name, I just know we call it Moro Moro. So here is our Moro Moro. Now I'll be turning it into this container so that you'll be seeing it clearly. This is how it looks like. So you're going to pick the dirt out. If there is dirt in it, you're going to pick it out. Like pick it out. Let me bring this for you guys. You pick everything out. Just remove the sand. You can wash and dry this, but I don't wash mine. If yours is dirty, I don't know if you know the English name or people mutanen Niger in kusan me ake kiran wannan abu sai ku gaya mana a comment section. My Ghanaian subscribers too, if you know the name, you can tell us the name. Mutanen Togo, mutanen Senegal, mutanen Mali, mutanen America, duk dai in kun san sunan sai ku gaya mana. Mutanen Nigeria in kun san me ake kira shi da yaren sai ku gaya mana a comment section. To our Moromoro seed is clean. It's clean. I got it from a place where they sell clean Moromoro. So now I'll go ahead and fry it. I have my hot pan here. I'm just going to fry it on low heat. Yes, I'm going to fry my Moromoro seed or using low heat. I'm done. It didn't take up to 20 seconds. The heat was even kind of a little bit like very hot. I used charcoal, so you can see it. The color has started changing. Don't burn it, because if you burn it, you won't love the results. Yes, you won't love the results when you burn it. It's going to just give it a you're going to lose the nutrients when you burn it. So here I added cloves. You know, cloves is very potent for hair growth. You can add fennel seed, which is called habatus sauda, right? And you can add mahalap. You can add mahalap here, but I didn't add it because I will be using the powder for another purpose. Yes, I wanted to. I know. I made oil, CHEBE hair oil. So I wanted to use this CHEBE powder for the oil and then for the powder. Like it's a multi-purpose powder. So here I was frying it lightly. I was frying it and then just giving it a stir, like just turning and turning and turning. You notice that the color is changing while I was doing this. So this is how you're going to do yours, and then at this point it was already like fried. I've reduced the moisture and I've brought out the oil and everything. After that, I went ahead to melt my butter. I used shea butter. My mother got this shea butter for me from a Niger woman, like she's from Niger. That's Mina in Nigeria. And you know, if you want good shea butter in Nigeria is one of the places where you can get shea butter. This shea butter is so good when you mix it with Vaseline and you use it during the cold weather. It gives your skin that soft feel, and the shea butter is very good. It's very good, like so good.
and it's very affordable. Like it's cheap, so cheap. Like when my mother told me the price she got it, actually she got it from the village. So I use double boiler method to melt my shea butter. You can see how I was dropping it in a pan while my shea butter was boiling. Um I poured my moro seeds into my metal, or should I say my gold mortar. This mortar is older than me. Yeah, it's older than me. So this is my mother's mortar and pestle. It's metal. It grinds your dry dry spices and ingredients and everything very fine. So I grinded my moro until it was very smooth. Pounded my muro until it was smooth. So at this point, I brought moss crystals, which is called misik or mursik. I added a little stone to give it a nice scent. You know, your chili powder is not complete without the moss crystals and your cloves. Cloves and moss crystals are one of the two main ingredients, like because you know cloves adds a lot of benefit to the hair, and the moss crystal will give it a nice Chadian scent. So hence that's why we add the moss crystals. So I was pounding it to just get my fine powder here. After pounding for a few minutes, then I turned it. Uh, you can blend this if you don't want to pound. Then I sieved it. I sieved it with a very smooth sieve to give me a very fine powder because you know we're adding it um to our shea butter, so it needs to be very smooth. So it's smooth this way. Don't forget to make it very smooth. So after that, you're going to just add your melted shea butter, and when you're melting your shea butter, please use the boiler method. So I noticed that the silver line container that I wanted to use will not give me the result I want because when it's solid, like I will not be able to remove it from this silver line jar because this silver line jar, the lid and the how will I say, is very thin. So my hand, even if my hand can go in, I will not be able to like pack the butter out at the end of the day. So I just made it in this other container. So you can see some particles of the silver line. You know the silver line is a lotion based cream like that, so it's not going to mix with the shea butter. Yeah, it's not going to mix. So and this is my black lecture which I made with cloves, black scented body cream, and then these are the oils that I'll be adding. So this is the CHEBE powder. I use quarter teaspoon. Yes, quarter teaspoon. I use it twice. I added two of it. That's half a teaspoon. Yes, half of a teaspoon. Half spoon. Sorry, half spoon. Yes. Then I added it, and then I gave it a stir. I mixed it, and then that's how you're going to mix it. Make sure you mix it so that it won't form lumps or you won't see lumps in your hair butter. Make sure you mix it. You can add as much as you want, but I didn't want the hair butter to look very black, so that's why I added a little. It depends on you. And I added black seed oil. Yes. I added some moss perfume which is called moss at so I went ahead to add more of the chebe powder because why not? We want our hair to look so beautiful, especially this weather that we are in. You need to take care of your hair. So this is my black seed oil. I use this brand because their oils are good. So I added just quarter of this glass, sorry, quarter of this container. Yes, and then I added musk tahara oil to give it that nice musk scent. You can add essential oil, you can add tea tree oil, you can add lavender oil, but I did not have them available, so I added the musk tahara. Then after that, I mix it. I give it a stir. I mix everything together so that everything will be fully combined. The white particles you see is the silver line. So this is it. I kept it in the refrigerator for like uh for like 30 minutes. I was so eager to see it. That's why I went to remove it. But then let it uh just keep it for overnight for it to do for it to be solid. Don't be like me. So this is it. This is the end product. I added hair growth oil and then I mixed it lightly. So this is it. This is the end product. I hope you understand. I hope you're going to give this a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I will be showing you how to make the hair growth oil in my next video. See you in my next one. Bye.